If diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal, it must be a rectangle. Is it true? See, these are the 6 main quadrilaterals. Check where are the diagonals equal. See, here this rectangle. Diagonals equal and bisect each other. The diagonals are equal. Square. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles and diagonals are equal. So it can be a rectangle or a square. Now remaining else, rhombus, no, not equal. Trapezoid, regular trapezoid can be equal. See, here this and this. It can be equal if it's a regular trapezoid. Okay. So this statement is false. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, question banks, tests with explanations on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30 by heart, squares up to 30 by heart and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful to you throughout your life. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months. You will learn them within 3 months and that would be useful to you throughout your life. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.